Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you how to make a grass wall for cheap for low. All right, I got this grass rug right here from Home Depot. There you go, right there. So, Traffic Master. This was like $25 after taxes. And then I have this right here, this neon light right here. It says Hustle. Okay, I bought this off Amazon for, I think it was like $26. So it's like a $51 grass wall. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just hit it with the thumbtacks and just thumbtack it down. But first, I need to take these down right here. So once I get these down, get the grass there, we're gonna get it in. So stay tuned. I have my beautiful sister over here helping me with this. We're gonna pin this to the wall real quick. So let's get it.
Gotta make sure
I'm gonna put the bottom piece in.
first. It's straight. Okay.
Yeah, look straight. Maybe I should time it up here. That's almost perfect. Yeah, we'll time lapse this. Dang, battery must have died. Alright, YouTube, so this is the final results right here. So I can check it out. Let's see if we can get some focus in here. So I got my little couch. Alright, y'all, so this is the final results. My camera died, so I'm using my phone right now. But this is what it's looking like right here. Boom, I got the little table right here. And this light is USB operated. I don't have a plug, so I got to plug into this laptop for now. But what I'm gonna do when I get the plug, I'm gonna cut like a little slit right here, stuff the cord all the way down behind the carpet, and then plug it into the wall like that. So we're gonna be getting some business done, getting it in right here, nice comfortable spot. And it's reminding you all the time that you gotta hustle. So, man, if this video been helpful, man, feel free to like and comment and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.